moving back into the green. So it's a good time to go across to Nimesh. He's joining us in our special segment, D-Street Chatter, to tell us what is he picking up in dealing room action. Nimesh, looks like far more, there will be better attendance at the dealing room, so it will be easier today, right?
Well, absolutely. But it looks like some bit of flows have resumed as well, right? But again, from a market perspective, a good recovery in the overall markets and a sharper recovery in the broader market. So the momentum seems to be pretty much there with the bulls. And as I said, some bit of flows have resumed. So there is a feedback that there's going to be a small market close basket buying as well in some Nifty names. So that probably would explain a bit of move in the last 30 minutes in some of the large cap Nifty stocks. Again, in terms of sectors, looks like the churn continues. Today, for a change, all the entire pharma space is doing good. A good traction as well in a lot of the pharma stocks. And on the other hand, some bit of profit booking the auto names in today's trade. But again, it's the PSUs which continues to outperform. Again, select PSUs are doing good. They're well bid as well. And the news flow is also expected to continue in the PSU basket. So that trend continues and looks like a sharper recovery in the broader markets today.
Okay, a sharper recovery in the broader markets today. Well, what are the individual stocks you're looking at, Nimesh?
Well, first I'll start with the two large blocks. The first one is VST Industries and the second one is SH Kilker. Now, on VST Industries, Magnus spoke about it. He explained the fundamentals as well. But from a gossip point of view, let me address the stock. So the stock is locked at 20% upper circuit. In terms of a block, there was a large block as well, 4% equity. I understand the domestic mutual fund was a seller and the single largest shareholder of that company, individual shareholder of the company, was a buyer in today's block. So disclosures will be quite interesting there. The second one is SH Kilker. Even there was a large block, 60 lakh shares got changed hands. And I understand clutch of HN investors were buyer in that stock as well. So even there, the disclosures could be interesting. The second name is Satin Credit. That stock is buzzing in trade, up 7% and on good volumes as well. The city is anticipating a fundraising largely via preferential issue very soon. So that is something to track there. The third one is Birla Soft. For the second day running, that stock is under pressure, largely on sell flow. So expect high delivery volumes. And I understand that leading the domestic mutual fund is an active seller in Birla Soft of late. And the last is Zee Entertainment and Bandhan Bank. I've chosen both these stocks largely because in both the names, there is a single individual wealth fund who is a buyer in both the names in the last few days. So expect high delivery volumes. And that's the reason why something like Zee has been buzzing as well for the last 2 days.
Okay, all right. Thanks very much, Nimesh, for all the action. And